What's up, everybody? Dave here with No Shame Garage, No Shame 70 Nova. Listen, if you haven't already seen my Facebook videos or TikTok, Instagram videos on this Moto Chrome, you're going to love this. This is a little more detailed version of those little short snippets. First off, check out their site. Put all the information already and all the links and stuff like that. Let me get started. We'll jump right into it. Now, we're going to take this bumper that we've already sealed and we're going to spray it, and we're eventually going to get it to where it looks like chrome. Now, I don't normally promote products, but in this case, I do really like some of the Tamco products. I did use, and I will continue to use, their wax and grease remover as well as their final wipe. I've had a lot of good success with it. Plus, I'm not going to lie, their process to order online is very easy and convenient. Have it shipped right to my front door with no problems at all. I also do use their 2104 clear as well once I get the black sprayed on. I really like the product, especially for the bumper. It's more difficult to spray like on an entire car, but on a small piece like this, it actually came out really well. So before we get started, let's be honest. There are a million videos on how to set up your gun, how important it is to get 50-50 coverage, so I'm not going to go into too much detail with that. Check out all the videos online. I go ahead and get this black sprayed on. I'm looking to make sure I have good coverage. I do end up laying 3 coats of black on this bumper. Once the black is set up, I come back and I'm going to hit it with that 2104 Tamco clear. Now, it's very important for me to make sure that I have my first pass be pretty wet. I mean, look, you can already see it setting up really well, and that's only through one pass. I'm going to come back, I'm going to hit it with the second pass, but then I'm going to stop at that point. Main reason being is I don't want to run or have any issues on the bumper. Bumpers can be difficult to sand to work around those edges. So let's talk about the Moto Chrome. First and foremost, make sure you wait the time period. Now, in my case, I waited 10 days before I sprayed the Moto Chrome. That's based on the directions. Make sure you follow those. They do come in an email format, not necessarily with your package. But either way, the stuff was worth every penny. It's not very expensive. It's like 60 something bucks for a small 12, like 8-ounce bottle, 10-ounce bottle, something like that. But it goes a really long way. Look, you can already see this bumper is already transformed. After letting it set, prepping it, starting to lay the chrome on here, it looks really, really good. And I have to be honest, I was happy with how the product came out. Make sure you check them out. If it's something that you're into, it was a very economical and easy process as far as that's concerned. There's so many chroming agents out there, but this is the one that I really love the most. Keep in mind, this was a fiberglass bumper that we sprayed. So this was not metal or anything like that. You've seen the whole process. If you end up purchasing the Moto Storm or Moto Chrome, post it in the links. I would love to see some of your projects, some of your videos, or anything like that. Also, don't forget, check out Paint Society, man. Shout out to them. Main reason being is because there's so much good information on the forum, so many really good dudes in there, and I love being a part of it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, show your love. Like I said, tell me what you think. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video.